Hey there, gardening enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of soil amending. It's like giving your garden a makeover, but sometimes we make mistakes without even realizing it. So, let's chat about 7 common slip-ups you might be making and how to steer clear of them. 1. None. Drown your plants with water. Is thirsty, so you chug down a gallon of water. But then, you feel sick and bloated. That's what happens to your plants when you drown them in water. Sure, plants need water to survive, but too much of it can suffocate their roots and cause all sorts of problems. So, instead of drowning your plants with love, give them a nice deep drink when the soil feels dry about an inch down. They'll thank you for it. 2. Avoid over-fertilizing. Think of fertilizer as plant food. It gives your plants the nutrients they need to grow big and strong. But just like humans, plants can't handle too much junk food. If you dump loads of fertilizer onto your garden, it can actually burn your plant's roots and stunt their growth. So, follow the instructions on the fertilizer bag and resist the urge to overfeed your plants. They'll thrive on a balanced diet just like you. 3. Watch out for compacted soil. Imagine trying to run through a field of quicksand. It's impossible, right? Well, that's what it's like for your plant roots when they're stuck in compacted soil. Compacted soil is like a brick wall, blocking air, water, and nutrients from reaching your plant's roots. So grab a garden fork or a tiller and loosen up that soil regularly. Your plants will thank you for giving their roots some room to breathe. 4. Say no to neglecting organic matter. Organic matter is like the superhero of your garden. It saves the day by improving soil structure, retaining moisture, and feeding your plants essential nutrients. So don't skimp on the good stuff. Add plenty of compost, aged manure, or shredded leaves to your soil to keep it healthy and happy. Your plants will grow stronger, and your garden will flourish. 5. Don't ignore soil. Soil pH is like the Goldilocks of gardening. It has to be just right for your plants to thrive. If the pH is too high or too low, your plants won't be able to absorb nutrients properly, no matter how much fertilizer you add. So, test your soil regularly and adjust the pH if needed. Your plants will thank you for creating the perfect environment for them to grow. 6. Choose the right amendments. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. It just won't work. Different plants have different soil preferences, so it's essential to choose the right amendments for your garden. Whether it's sandy soil, clay soil, or something in between, do your research and pick the amendments that will give your plants the best chance to thrive. 7. Beware of chemical overload. Pesticides and herbicides might seem like a quick fix for pesky pests and weeds, but they can do more harm than good in the long run. Not only do they kill off beneficial insects and microbes, but they can also contaminate your soil and water supply. So, before you reach for the chemical spray, explore natural alternatives like companion planting, mulching, and hand weeding. Your garden and the environment will thank you for it. And there you have it, 7 soil amending mistakes to watch out for in your garden. By avoiding these slip-ups, you'll create a healthy, thriving garden that you and your plants can enjoy for years to come. Happy gardening!